Do you believe in nurturing the next generation of compassionate leaders? Meet Shri Suyash Sharma, a remarkable grade 7 student. Suyash embodies philanthropy and a deep love for Mother Nature. He thrives in the natural world, finding joy in its embrace. A simple and down-to-earth individual, he enjoys reading and play. His interests also include watching movies, enriching his worldview. Discover more about Suyash's inspiring journey and passions today.